Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? We are here in Los Angeles, California, pretty much Echo Park. So go ahead and take a look at that beautiful city behind me. It's LA, downtown. All right, so let me go ahead and turn this thing around and show you guys what we got going. So we got this house, original hardwood floors that came with the home, never been sanded. As you can see, it's got that orange hue to it. So, I'll take you through the living room. It's the Hummel moneymaker. So overall, the floor is in pretty good shape for never having been finished or anything like that. We do have that damaged board right there. We're going to go ahead and replace this board along with these two other right there. We're going to lace everything in. Take you guys to the kitchen. Okay, we're gonna sand all this, get this as white as we can. Replace those reducers right there. We got ourselves with the hallway. Take that, we're gonna add a T-molding right there. Here's one room. As you can see, overall, the floor's in pretty good condition. I don't see us using much putty here. Maybe right here, just to cover the little tiny gaps that we have. And it's another room. So we're gonna get everything sanded. We're gonna use invisible here. So we gotta get this sanded and cleaned up as much as possible. That area in particular. So as you can see, there was a difference in color. Homeowner actually sanded this themselves when they rented a machine from Home Depot, 120, 110 volt machine. You know, it doesn't have much power. It doesn't work like our machine, but we hit it with the 36 already, so we got to just clean it up a little bit more and then get everything ready to go. So, turn this thing around. So that's what we're looking at today. So my guy's gonna sand everything, get everything as much as done as we can. The goal today is to hit everything with the 36, 60, and then tomorrow they could hit everything with the 100, and then start adding some coats of finish. But it's gonna look really, really beautiful once it's all said and done. The whole whiteness of the invisible is just gonna brighten everything up. So I'll do a video update probably tomorrow, kind of show you where we're at as far as the process goes. All right, everybody have a good one.